Hello, this is Thomas, and today we have a special guest.
Hi!
That's Tori. And today we, instead of just I, will be making a guinea pig shaped cake. This is not an instructional video like most of my videos usually are. If you want to know how to make the cakes, then you can go watch my video about the cakes that I made for this special occasion. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. This is a video that we are celebrating that with. This was Tori's idea to make a guinea pig cake. Why are we making a guinea pig cake, Tori?
Because I have guinea pigs.
Yes, Tori has a guinea pig YouTube channel, and she said that we should make a video where we make a guinea pig cake. Okay, so we don't know how this will go. Tori's cakes are not always the best.
Insert picture here.
Yes, exactly, that's what I was thinking. But we'll figure it out, and we don't really know how this is going to go, but it'll be an interesting video, so keep watching. So I have already made 2 cakes. These are 2 9-inch cakes, and this pan is still hot and they're still cooling, so I'll put that down. But I made vanilla cakes. You can make chocolate cakes or whatever kind of cakes you want. And I've also made frosting. This is just buttercream frosting, and it's good, and we are going to color it. So we have to figure out what we want to color it for different areas. Brown.
It should be white, and then the face should be like brown on one side and like darker brown on the other side.
We are figuring out how to make it brown as well. So we're going to experiment a little bit. So Tori said that we should use cocoa powder, so we're going to just
I feel like it's gonna taste weird.
It might. That's why we're experimenting with just a little bit. Okay, here's our attempt.
Tastes like hot chocolate.
Yeah, I was thinking that also. Okay, so this could be a good color for some parts.
Maybe for like the side of the face, and on the other side of the face is like darker. I'm assuming we're making an American guinea pig, right?
I don't know. I'm not.
Those are like the not fluffy ones, because I feel like it'd be hard to make a fluffy one.
So I think it would be good if we like printed out a guinea pig and then like cut it out and kind of shaped our cake around that.
That's a good idea.
Yes. So
I know what a guinea pig shape is. Oh, but you're printing it.
Yeah, we're gonna print it. So let's go do that now. Okay, after printer difficulties, we have cut out the guinea pig that Tori's now gonna cut up. So we're gonna take those out. Then we're going to just frost the middle and do like a crumb coat of this white frosting, and then we'll put that in the fridge, and then we can like color stuff and make chocolate frosting.
Okay.
And then put that on top of everything. So these are probably cool enough to take out now. So we're just going to take a non-sharp knife, go around the outside of the pan, and then you can sort of lift it up in some areas.
Oh wow, it actually came out nicely. It's definitely not gonna work. It worked!
Yeah. Okay, so usually I would like level off the tops of these. However, the guinea pig has to have some sort of like a hump. So we're just going to level off the top of one and then keep the other one's top on.
So like the bottom one is gonna be
The
flat.
bottom one will be flat, the top one will not be flat. Okay, so now we are going to do our cake. So we are first going to use our white frosting and do this. So you, Tori, can take some with the spatula, like dump it on there, and then only the spatula goes in there because we don't want the crumbs getting in there. And then you can just spread it around, not too thick a layer, but not too thin. Okay, so while Tori's doing that, I will say that we're probably going to have some like dark chocolate parts of our cake and some light chocolate parts. So here's our light brown frosting that we just added cocoa powder to. We just like eyeballed how much. It tastes kind of like hot chocolate. But for our dark chocolate ones, we are going to use an unsweetened chocolate bar and melt that and then stir that into some of our frosting until it's good. I'm going to take our double boiler and now I'm going to melt probably 2 ounces of this unsweetened chocolate. Yes, Tori is now putting on the second layer and is just going to, just a thin coat everywhere. Okay, so I have melted my chocolate. I'm just going to let it cool a little bit more before I add it because I don't want to completely melt the frosting. But it's going pretty well and we are going to see how this goes. Actually, no, we don't want to do the sides. I forgot. We don't want to do the sides because we're going to cut the sides and then we're going to do the sides after we cut the sides.
Oh, yeah. How did we not remember that?
I don't know.
I mean, that was like the main thing. Okay, are we cutting it now or after it's been in the fridge?
We're going to put this in the fridge for like 10 or 15 minutes. Then we will come back, then we will cut it, then we will finish the crumb coat around the sides, then we'll put it back in the fridge, then we'll come back and do the frosting with everything else. So we'll see you then. Okay, so we're just going to add frosting to our melted chocolate until it gets good enough, I guess. Like until it's the right consistency and right color. Okay, so here is our chocolate frosting that looks pretty dark. And here is our other chocolate frosting that looks light. So we have 2 different types, which is great. How about we just cut off
well, because
here?
You always cut more, you can't always cut less.
We can cut more. So we'll just cut here to here. That's way more than you need. So we want to like cut here and then like curve it downwards. Attempt.
Oh gosh. There's no way I'm gonna help by making this. Okay, I feel like it's too square in the back. We need to cut off like, well, that was a lot. We need to cut off more in like here, right?
Yeah, probably.
It's a very chunky guinea pig.
We want it to like slowly curve down.
We're gonna have none of the original frosting on here.
I know. Well, it's getting there. Viewers on camera. Okay, cake break. I'm gonna have some cake. So face like comes out and then it comes in and it's also narrower.
Okay, so we start by covering this in frosting.
Yes.
Can I do that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I can definitely do crumb coats because they're easy.
Okay. While you do that, I'm going to make some more cocoa powder frosting since we don't have much. Okay, so I made some more cocoa thingy thing. So here's Tori's guinea pig cake, and now we can put this in the fridge for a little while. Now we're gonna probably like have lunch and talk about random stuff. So we will see you in a little while. Goodbye.
Bye. Wait, I know what I'm gonna do.
Can you stop filming?
Can I end it like this?
Yeah.
Wait.
Bye. Yes, so now we are back a little while later and we are going to begin to decorate it. So we are probably going to do some combination of white frosting, light brown frosting, and dark brown frosting. So, how do you want us to decorate it? Like, where do you want us to put different?
That's tough. I think light brown on like one side of the face and dark brown on the other side of the face would be cute. Because usually guinea pigs have like a strip of like white down their nose and then like a patch of like different colors on either side.
So I'm going to take a small offset spatula. Yeah, we have lots of dark brown here. Do some. So I think we'll finish this, then we might put it in the fridge for a little longer just to like do that, and then we can take it out and smooth it out and not worry about it like getting all blended with all the other colors. Oh, and we also want to do our eyes, so I think we can just make those out of cake.
Well, some guinea pigs have red eyes, but that kind of pig never has red eyes. The ones that have red eyes are like albino pigs. They're like fully white ones.
Maybe we need to like do what they do with cake balls. So like we can take some of this, and then we can take some frosting, and then we can
Ew, that looks so gross.
smush it together, and there you go.
It's huge. Their eyes are not that large. The viewers can't even see that.
Sorry, viewers. They're smaller eye.
Oh my god, that's so much worse than mine. And you're like a baker person.
Yeah, we'll put it in the fridge, then we'll do the white. We'll make feet after that. So we'll see you in a bit. Oopsies.
Bye.
Okay, so now we're basically just going to touch up some little bits.
We can use our inverted spatula.
Offset.
I'm aware. I just like to make you mad.
Okay, so do we want to like take a fork and like make little fur lines?
No, that would be for like an Abyssinian pig, or like
Okay,
a Peruvian.
so we won't do that. Okay, time to put it on the plate. The eyes are a little bit creepy.
Oh yeah, what a nice pig. How do you do that? Like
It doesn't fit that way, which is the point. So you put it through this side, then you force it down, and
Well,
there
that's smart. Ugh, it is gross.
it tastes fine, Tori. It's just like dark chocolate,
Yeah, exactly.
which is not gross.
Dark chocolate's not sweet enough.
It is.
Dark chocolate is like an adult food.
Okay.
Sophisticated people like dark chocolate. How do we have feet? 4 little toes in the front and 3 in the back.
Okay, so make 4 little toes in the front and 3 in the back.
Look at them! They're not
Like
like to
here?
the side, they go like to the front, yeah. They go like
Okay.
all toward the front.
Is that it? It needs a little pupil in it.
I think we should get rid of, we have to do like a final spin. They don't have pupils.
Oh well. The
That is
eyes look
horrifying. That is extremely creepy and absolutely adorable.
So, hopefully you enjoyed this special video. Hopefully you enjoy our
Make
cake.
sure to check out Piggy Time.
Yes, check out Tori's channel. Subscribe to both of us. Hopefully you enjoy whatever we're naming this. Mr. Eddie Squeaksters, I think. I don't know.
Mr. Eddie Squeakster.
Okay. Well, hopefully you enjoy him.
Enjoy
He
him?
looks a little creepy, but whatever. It was a fun time making this. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you next time, and goodbye.
Thanks for watching.
Wow. Great. You're just gonna hold that pose.
You gotta stop it now. You gonna stop it?
No. Fine.
Hi, I'm Thomas, and this is TK Desserts. Oh my gosh, you know how there's like the Disney Channel thing where it's like, hi, I'm blah blah blah, you're watching Disney Channel, and then they make the little like thing?
No.
Because then you can make it say like TK. That would be so cool.
This video is a special video because of celebration of that.
What? Because of celebration of that. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I am so happy that we got this far, and this video is to celebrate. I'm better at this than you are.
Great, Tori just said it.
Are you actually gonna include that?
Yes.
Oh my god. Why are these feet so annoying? You better include that. Oh, it tastes terrible. Well, it's just not sweet at all. Oh, gorgeous. So beautiful. I don't know what kind of sugar.
Do you need assistance?
Yes.
Oh, Tori's YouTube channel is called Piggy Time. You should go subscribe.
You started that so unenthusiastically. And my channel is Piggy Time.
You should go subscribe to her.
Subscribe to Piggy Time.
Okay.
No, that wasn't. And this is a collaboration. I want to be in it. This is a collaboration with Piggy Time. I look so dumb. This is a collaboration with Piggy Time. My channel, This is a collaboration with Piggy Time, which is an amazing guinea pig YouTube channel.
That Tori does.
Self promo.